Hello friends, welcome back to Blockchain Inside Out. Today I will share a very important strategy to grow in Sunflower Land, as we are playing for a long time in Sunflower Land, but to be true that we are not getting that much progress in terms of profitability. We are progressing in terms of leveling up of our bumpkin. We are expanding our lands, whatever. We are doing all the things that is required to go through this game. But truly speaking, if we want to get some profit out of this game, we have to be very aggressive or proactive. You must say that we have to be proactive. Okay, so today I have thought a plan, so I will share with you that how we can make some progress. Well, here first we need to click on the bumpkin and see our reputation point. Hopefully all of us are having grower, that means 350 points. Now click on earn points and before that click on check the next level, that is crow keeper. 6600 points is required. And what advantages that will give: that make and accept offers, unlimited listing and offers, unlock all flower deliveries, withdraw resources. So I'm leaving these withdraw resources right now because that is not that much profitable. If you have made it earlier, then you know. Else you may try this if you are in crow creeper, right? For 600 points, what you have to do: first click on that earn points. So you can see that spring island 100 points, level 15 50 points, reach desert island 50 points, and connect discord proof of humanity, all of them accumulated 350 points. But till 300 points shorts, means 250 points short, to be frank. So what you have to do: you may reach volcano island 50 points and reach level 100, right? Reach level 100 150 points and volcano island 50 points. That will give you 200 points extra. 350 plus 200 will accumulate 550. Still 50 points short. So no way you can reach until you own a VIP access or own a bird. So bird is very costly. You all know that. So it's tough to buy a bird. I am showing you how to check that bird's price. But VIP access is bit easier to get and go through that 600 points. Purchase VIP pass, I will share. But before that, click on the section and bird NFT. If you click on that, then you will see the lowest price is $270. That means 1607 flower token. And there are lots of birds you may have. You may own those. If you are having those, then you are already in crow keeper. Else you are like me on 350 points. Now here what we saw, that not here, here purchase VIP pass. For purchasing VIP pass for 1 month requires 800 points, and for 3 months requires 1500 points, right? If you buy 1 month by 1 month, then you have to spend 2400 points for 3 months. And if you are able to buy a VIP points for 3 months, you will get enough benefit and you are having 3 months buffer to make over your investment, right? So I am planning to buy that 3 months VIP, and for that 1500 flower gem we have to use. And what the benefit we are getting: that monthly airdrop, 10% XP boost, queue up recipes in cooking buildings, Stella flower discount, bonus delivery, and core rewards, 600 reputation points, bonus competition points, plus more. Get Bloom VIP into flower box rewards. Right? There are lots of advantages for this VIP, and for that you have to get 1500 gem. So if I want to buy gem here, if you click on that, purchase VIP access or buy gems, right? Purchase VIP access is same. I had that VIP access but it's expired. So here you can see buy gems with sorry, buy gems with flower save 30%. So that's a very useful advantage if you buy through gem. So how you can buy? You have to accumulate 1500 gems. So go back and buy gems. Right now you can see 1350 gems you will get with $12.99. And if you use flower token, then it will come up in $9.09 USD C or USD whatever. So if you invest $10, you can buy 1350, basically 9.09, and you have to buy this twice for 90 cent, accumulated 1.80 and 9.09. Say for 11 to $12 if you invest, then you can buy 1500 gems. And right now I am buying, let me start with this. I am spending 53 flower token. I am having 73.92. So confirm, continue, and 19 flower token I am having. So once again I will buy this one, 1470. If I had 30 more, then I could have get it right now, but no problem. I will buy once again, buy gems, right? It's done. I am probably now in VIP. Do I have to refresh once again? How to check that? Yes. Are you sure you want to purchase 3 months of VIP access? Yes. Right now. Successfully purchased VIP. Continue. Expires on 9/9/2025. Perfect. So I am having 3 months of time and I can sell all the flowers deliveries. So for that, right now you can see that this is partnership cake, right? For that, what we have to do, I have to go back in the chest and place smoothie sack as well as bakery, right? So first, this is the smallest one, so I am placing this. Let me place it here, right? And now the bakery. Okay, smoothie sack is ready. Need to refresh, I guess. Just a moment. Hope I will be able to place bakery now. Yes, place on the map. And here I am placing. So if I place it here, I will get some amount of space to place that greenhouse. Usually I didn't have that plan earlier, but right now I am planning to prepare all the things, and I will deliver all the flower deliveries that is possible for me. So right now I am having only 9 flower token. I had 73 flower token. All the flower tokens I have used to buy my VIP for 3 months, and in these 3 months I will try to make this. And what is the requirement? That is pansip cake. Okay, first start with pansip cake. This is carrot, this is pansip cake. For that it will take 21 hours and 36 minutes. Perfect. So let it be cooked, and then I can sell it. And what I'll get? I'll get 1.45 flower token. And this thing I am having earth one. Okay, let's sell it grimly. Here is grimly, and I will get 0.4 flower token. Nice, I got it. So my pass VIP access is passed, and I am getting that VIP treatment here. So you can do this if you have that much ability. If you have that much flower token, you must do this. And if you are not having that much flower token, you may buy from the market, and just $12 of flower token will do the job. And right now it's 16 cent. So if it grows up, then you have to pay less amount of flower token in terms of flower. But if you have to buy, the equation is same. If you are having flower token, then you will get some advantage, else equation is same. Now another 3 I can sell. Okay, no problem, I can sell it right now. 0.4, 0.4, so zero point 0.8 I have earned. So I have to see that if I can get more than 70 flower token, or more, maybe more than 100 in 1 month or not. If I get more than 100 or maybe more, then I am on a profitable note. And that's the scenario. I have explained everything. Hope you understood that how you can be a bit more proactive, and how you can start earning from Sunflower Land right now. So buy your VIP access. And one thing I think I'll get that, uh, as I got it, VIP reward. When you will get that VIP access, then you have to claim that reward. Let's see what things we are getting. It's loading. Oh, one great bloom banner, one mini floating island, small sized patch or paradise that somehow stay afloat, perfect for peaceful moment. No problem, whatever. This is for monthly VIP moment. I have already claimed it. So for the next month, I will try and get another thing. So let's do this journey, and hopefully I will share all the journey, that how I can get some profit out of it, and you will also earn some profit. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.